Hello everybody and welcome back to Kai's Kitchen. Today we are making old-fashioned banana pudding. First things first, you're going to need to gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 egg whites, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 egg yolks, a teaspoon of vanilla, 2.5 cups of milk, a dash of salt, some Nilla wafers, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, and some bananas. In a pot, you should put the milks and the flour inside and stir and mix well. Put it on low heat and keep mixing, or use a whisk like I did, and keep mixing until the mixture starts to thicken some. And once the mixture thickens, you should add in the teaspoon of vanilla and mix well. Also, a little side note, the custard is going to be a little lumpy. Pour the milk in first and then gradually add in the flour and whisk well so it can reduce some of the lumps. Once the custard is done, you should go over to your table or work area and cut up the bananas into slices, and then layer the bottom of the pan that you're going to put it in with the bananas. Then put some custard on top, and then layer that with some Nilla wafers, and repeat until you ran out of custard. In a different bowl, you should put the egg whites inside, and then using a hand mixer and using the whisk attachment, you should whisk until it gets foamy. Once it's foamy, you should add in the sugar a little bit at a time and keep whisking until it has stiff peaks. And once those you'll know you'll have stiff peaks when you take the whisk out, the meringue stands up on its own, or you can put the bowl upside down and the meringue will not fall out the bowl. Once the meringue is ready, you should spread the meringue over top of the pudding and make sure it covers each sides of the pan, so none of the pudding or Nilla wafers are showing through. And once that is ready, you should put it in the oven set for 325 for 25 minutes, or until the meringue becomes golden brown. And there you have it. You now have old-fashioned banana pudding. thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and a comment on what we should do next. And until next time, toodles.